today I'm going to draw this. I'll try to replicate as much as I can. This is basically a still life photography. I have started by making the jar first. Draw the apples and the orange. I'm done with the sketching. Now I'll start coloring, and I'm using oil colors for that. You can use any of the oil colors you want. I'm using artist oil color as usual. For the wall, I'm using cobalt blue with white. Now I'll start coloring the mug. So I'm using black and white for the gray color, and then I'll color the surface. So now I'm going to start coloring the apples. For that I'm using red with a little bit of yellow. For shadow I'm using brown with little bit of black, and I'm blending it with the red. For the detailing, I'm using yellow ochre with white. So I kind of replicated the apple. Now I'm going to start coloring the orange. I'm going to be using white for the details. Now let's replicate the jar. I'm trying to make the handle look exactly like the photograph. and it looks quite good. Background is actually lighter in the pic, so I'm gonna make it lighter. I have enhanced these parts by using black. I have mixed green with a little bit of white. This is how the bottom looks, and I'm trying to make it look similar. Okay, so now I'll make the shadow for the orange, and I'm using red with black and brown. This is how it is in the pic. Now I'm going to put some white, as I can see in the picture. Now I'll make this part. I'll blend it after drawing the lines. So this is how it looks after blending, and I kind of like it. I think I did a pretty good job. Let me know in the comments, what do you think?